Good morning to all of my friends. Welcome back to our YouTube family, Aman Muradabadi Vlogs. This is me, Aman, and it's a really good morning. I just wake up few hours ago and it is raining out here, and I am standing right here and making my vlogs. Recently, I got Boya M1 lapel microphone which I ordered from Amazon, and by mistake, or I don't know what's the thing happened, I got a fake product. Yes, it is a fake product and it is not working also. How I know this one is fake? You can see this. Here is a barcode. Oh, it's not focusing. Here is the barcode, and I just put out these numbers into the website. So let me just show you that. So this is the website of Boya microphone, and you guys can check your products of Boya right here, that these products are genuine or not. You just have to put your security code right here, and after that you guys will know your product is genuine or not, your product is fake or not. In my case, this shows error, so my one is the fake product. So I got this fake product and it has a 10-day return policy on Amazon, but when I put return complaint, then no return option available there. They are replacing this one and giving me a new Boya M1. So we will check it in future vlog that I got good Boya or not. So what's the reason to buy Boya? This is the main question right here. Let me tell you that I am always study my all vlogs deeply. So what I know that video quality is not that much important. If you guys are making SD standard quality videos below than HD, or you guys can make HD or 4K, it doesn't matter. If you are shooting in 4K and your audio quality is not good, then people will not gonna watch it. They don't give you views and they don't like it that much. 640x360 resolution is also enough to make a video. I'm not saying that it is a good resolution in today's 2021 case, but if you are shooting in lowest quality and your audio quality is crisp and clear, then it makes sense. Yes, so that's why I am purchasing this Boya M1 lapel microphone. What is the lapel microphone? What is the benefit of lapel? I will tell you. It is like a collar mic. You can place right here on your t-shirt, or here under your t-shirt, or you can place it right here also. So the Boya M1 has a 6 meter long cable. It is a long cable, so it has merits and demerits also. We do not hide this all mic setup under a helmet properly, like we do with the SJ cam. If you are using your smartphone just for your recording, or you guys using your shotgun mics, then you already know that if you place your phone one place and move around in a distance, then your voice is not gonna same level. So your voice should be clear. So that's why the 6 meter long cable will help you. You can place your phone anywhere or the camera anywhere, and you move around at any distance. Not any distance, just a 6 meter distance. No audio loss and a 6 meter distance. So that's a good thing. And I'm not just using this mic in my indoor shoots or still shoots. I will use this mic as my motovlog setup also. I wanna tell you that for a motovlog setup, you guys do not have any need to connect your Boya mic or any mic with your camera. You just have to record your video and audio separately, and after that in the post processing you guys can synchronize them correctly. That's the main thing. You guys have to synchronize the audio and video in a same manner, and in some post processing you guys can also edit your audio a little bit, so maybe you guys can get a good more better results. And one thing more guys, it's raining light, so let's go out and let's talk here. So I wanna tell all the SJ cam users who purchased the SJ Cam recently or who do not purchase a mic. So do not go for the SJ Cam mic. It is not worthy. One thing is bad about SJ mic is it is always connecting with the SJ models only. So this is not the worthy thing. And other is that the SJ mic is super sensitive. When you place your mic right here in your helmet, it will gain the volumes too high. See the samples right here.
150 cc. Nothing is visible here.
So this is completely sucks and nobody likes this type of audio. And if you are paying 1800, this is not the great deal. So for those people who already purchased SJ mic and they are facing serious issue with their audio quality, so I already make a vlog on it. You guys can see with the I button, and I will put the link in the description also. You guys go and check my that vlog, so you can fix your SJ Cam also. That will provide also a good amount of quality, but not that much crisp that people wants really in the vlogs. So lastly, I wanna say that the lapel microphones are the best, better than the shotguns. You guys can do more things, like you can place your cell phone or your camera and move around, and you guys do so many things, just like your outdoor recordings, your indoor recordings. In the indoors, it will give more good results. And if you have more budget, then you guys can also purchase the Zoom H1N. With that Zoom H1N, the lapels are give the blast. Yes, the Voya M1 I saw already in the most of the vlogs. In the Zoom, with the Zoom S1, Voya is completely gives your crisp and clear, because I feel that thing when I was riding my bike. I am listening to my engine sound, my exhaust note, my gear changing sound. All that sounds are missing in my Voto vlogs. So how to get them? Just one solution: purchase a Zoom H1N and use your lapel microphones, and the magic begins. So that's it for the today's vlog. I got an fake product and it is not working also. It is on replacement. 1 or 2 days I will get a new one. So friends, that's all for the today's vlog, and meet you soon in my next vlog. So if you guys enjoy this video and find these things helpful for you, so you can press the like button and do subscribe my channel and increase my YouTube family to the 1000. It's 650 right now. So that's it, and press the bell icon also, so you can get all my new notification right time on your screens. So meet you guys in my next vlog. Till then, goodbye, bye bye. Ride hard, ride safe, and do not ride right now. Just be healthy and stay home. Bye bye.